A unified sentence is a sentence in which all the parts are related to the main idea and support it. It should express one main idea and be free from irrelevant or unnecessary details. Here's an example of a unified sentence. Example: despite the heavy rain and strong winds, the marathon runners continued on, determined to reach the finish line. In this sentence, the main idea is that the marathon runners continued on despite the challenging weather conditions, and all the parts of the sentence support this idea. The phrase "despite the heavy rain and strong winds" provides context and emphasizes the difficulty of the situation, while the phrase "determined to reach the finish line" highlights the runners' perseverance and commitment to their goal. Here are some additional examples of unified sentences. The restaurant was busy, but the staff managed to serve everyone quickly and efficiently. The project was completed on time and within budget, thanks to careful planning and collaboration. Despite the long hours and challenging work, the team was able to meet their deadline and deliver a high-quality product. The children were excited to explore the park and see the animals, and the parents enjoyed watching them learn and have fun. In each of these sentences, all the parts are related to the main idea and support it, resulting in a clear and effective sentence. Thanks for watching.